Hello everyone, welcome to Geekermag. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a cool new feature in iOS 18, call recording on your iPhone. Yes, it's finally here and I will show you exactly how to turn it on and start using it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make sure iPhone is running iOS 18 or above. Here is how you can check and update. Go to Settings, tap General, select Software Update, and install the latest update if it's available. If you have installed it already, then head over to next step. Once your iPhone is updated, you are ready to use call recording feature. This is built right into the phone app, so there is no need for third-party apps or tools. Here is how to enable call recording during a phone call. Open the phone app and place a call to one of your contacts. For this video, I'll be calling on my other number. Once the call connects, look for the new recording icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap the icon to start recording. A notification will let you and other person know that call is being recorded. This is a safety feature to ensure transparency. When the call is over, tap the recording icon again to stop. The recording will automatically save to your device. It's that simple. To find your saved call recordings, open the Notes app. You will see your recording listed along with the transcription of the conversation. From here you can play the recording, save it, share it, or even copy parts of this transcription. A quick reminder, this feature is designed with privacy in mind, so the other party will always be notified when a call is being recorded. Make sure to check the call recording laws in your region before using this feature. And there you have it. That's how you can turn on and use call recording on your iPhone running iOS 18 or above. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Got question? Drop them in the comments below and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.